Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream from fresh cream. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. Also, chill your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 15 minutes beforehand. This helps the cream whip up faster and hold its shape better. Have powdered sugar and vanilla extract ready to add later for flavor. These simple preparations are key to achieving light, fluffy results. Now pour your very cold, heavy cream into the chilled mixing bowl. Begin whipping on a low speed to avoid any splattering as the cream starts to incorporate air. After about 30 seconds, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. You'll notice the cream beginning to thicken and become frothy. Keep an eye on it. The texture will change quickly. Continue whipping until the cream forms soft peaks that hold their shape briefly before gently falling. For a firmer consistency, like for piping, keep whipping until you achieve stiff peaks that stand upright. It's crucial to watch closely at this stage. Over-whipping can quickly turn your beautiful cream into grainy butter. Stop as soon as it reaches your desired texture. Once your whipped cream has reached the perfect consistency, it's time to add flavor. Gently fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar per cup of cream, along with about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Taste and adjust the sweetness or flavor as needed. Serve your freshly made whipped cream immediately for the best experience. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for a day or two.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.